This activity is designed to introduce students to vectors using a geometric approach. The students will begin by opening the main application, inserting a geometry window, turning on the integer grid, axes and numbers, and then drawing a vector. Once they have the vector drawn, they will copy it and then paste it, and then drag it up to the main application, tap in geometry, select the second vector, and drag it up. Are the vectors equivalent algebraically? Yes, they are. The student is then guided through experimenting with scalar multiples in a similar fashion by dragging back and forth between main and geometry. The activity includes places for the student to sketch what they are seeing on the ClassPad to better understand the topic and express in their own words these different relationships. And then the activity ends asking the students to add and subtract vectors geometrically. For adding vectors, the students will draw two different vectors, select a vector, drag it up to the main application, add a plus sign, select the second vector, drag it up, press EXE, and then drag the result back to the geometry window. They may need to scroll to see the point that was plotted. They will then draw a vector from the origin to the point, and our hope is that they will recognize this as a parallelogram. To help them see that, they can copy one vector and then paste, drag it up, copy the other vector, and then paste, drag it over to close the parallelogram. We hope your students find this activity useful, and we hope you continue to enjoy the ClassPad.